Last summer, Congress passed a law that would allow the president to invade the Netherlands with military force.
That's true.
If the International Criminal Court even hears a case against an American.
It's true. In Europe, it's called the Netherlands Invasion Act. Here, it's not reported, but yeah, it's true. And it was signed by the executive, so it's law.
Democrats and Republicans voted for that.
Absolutely.
So, kind of my question for you is there any way that you could foresee that George could be prosecuted? I understand that in this country, he has to be not in this country. He has to go outside of this country, since we haven't ratified the ICC. But if he were somewhere else, why couldn't someone just arrest him?
These are questions of power, not law. You know, the U.S. can do it because it's overwhelmingly powerful. Nobody can do anything about it except people inside the United States. You want to change things, you got to change them here. Nobody else can do it. I mean, I don't really think, and you know, in Europe they describe the Netherlands Invasion Act as a kind of a joke, you know, a sign of how crazy everybody is across the Atlantic. They don't really expect The Hague to be invaded, but they know that they can't touch an American or even threaten one because the threats are just too great. The extreme, the fanaticism of this is really remarkable. So take the latest country to be admitted into the United Nations, East Timor. I mean, barely exists. You know, a couple 100,000 people. Those are the ones who survived the U.S.-backed Indonesian assault. When they got independence, their first communication from Colin Powell, the moderate, from the State Department, first communication was that if they wanted any aid from the United States, they were going to have to guarantee that they would never be involved with the International Criminal Court in any case involving an American. I mean, the chance of some East Timor, you know, sending some American to the International Criminal Court is approximately at the level of our being hit by an asteroid tomorrow. But they're not you know, you got to show the fanaticism is so extreme that they had to sign that. And Europe knows you don't fiddle around with a 800-pound gorilla. You know, it can only be stopped from within.